How to set up extend unlock on Samsung phone. So with the Samsung phone extend unlock, your Samsung phone will remain unlocked when you are on known location like office, at home, or while your Samsung phone is with you. So if you have some sensitive information on your Samsung phone that you don't want a third party to use, using Samsung phone extend unlock could be dangerous. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily set up Samsung phone extend unlock. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do here is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now, one of the settings page, you want to scroll down the page and click on lock screen and AOD. Now, once selected lock screen and AOD, locate extend unlock and click on it. Then type in your Samsung phone PIN pattern password and then click on continue. There you go. There you should see what is extend unlock. Extend unlock keep this device unlocked when it is with you. So this could be it recognizes you while holding the device. When you are near home or another trusted place like your office, then your watch or another trusted devices is nearby. Then go ahead and click on got it. Now keep this device unlocked while it's on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted device. If you want to trust a place, just click on trusted places, then turn on location. Here you should see your home address, and if it's not coming up on the maps, just go ahead and click on add trusted place. Then you should see on the maps, then locate the trusted place from the option. So if you have any of them on the option, just go ahead and then click on the trusted place. Then you should see it pops like this, then click on OK. Now, whenever your Samsung phone is within this location, the Samsung phone will remain unlocked. Then if you want to unlock your Samsung phone whenever it detects body motion, that is whenever anyone is holding your Samsung phone, turn on this. You need to know that the body detection can't distinguish between someone else or you. So if someone takes your phone while it is unlocked, they might be able to access it. So go ahead and click on continue. Then hit the back button. Then if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, you can just go ahead, click on add trusted devices. Then choose the name of your device here or click on pair new device to pair your Samsung device. Then with all this enabled, your Samsung phone will be unlocked whenever you are within these trusted options. That is, while holding your Samsung phone, while in the selected trusted place, and while it is connected to the trusted device. That's basically how to turn on or use external unlock on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.